first day of school, breaking in a new town. No doubt, it was the longest day of my life till I found out why my dad must have made mama's wife.
Now the McDonald's new chicken.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Okanogan County Sheriff's Office and the Omak Police Department. Residents of the city of Omak, lock all doors and windows effective immediately. A psychopathic female killer is on the loose. To repeat, a psychopathic female killer is on the loose. At approximately 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, she started her murder spree at Jean's Harvest Foods, across the street from the Chase Bank. She killed 17 people in the grocery store, 10 shoppers and 7 staff. She's possibly an Asian American, stands around 5'5" inches, weighs at 172 pounds, black hair, slim body build, and is armed with a Buck 120 dagger and an M1911 handgun. Do not approach her by any means necessary on this dangerous situation.
We're timing out the brutal holiday weekend weather. Our reporter there as new violent clashes break out in Minnesota. Now the state is raiding the National Guard, plus the new details about the death of Renee Good, how many times she was shot.
An Amber Alert is sounded for the people of Omak. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Okanogan County Sheriff's Office and the Omak Police Department. Residents of the city of Omak, remain in your shelters at this time. The female killer is at it again. To repeat, the female killer is at it again. 17 more people were confirmed at Rancho Chico in Omak. She has the total of 34 lives she took. An update on the Asian American's description is up. She's in her late 20s to early 30s, and she wears a green sailor uniform. Do not engage her by any means necessary on this dangerous situation.
Postponed already. Meteorologist Michelle Grossman joins us now with a closer look. Michelle, what are you expecting this weekend?
Hi there, Aaron. Well, we're looking at a potentially deadly situation in the Pacific Northwest. So we're talking about historic, dangerous.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Okanogan County Sheriff's Office and the Omak Police Department. It seems like we have another killer on the loose, but it looks like it's a male. We may have noticed that we have a Union Civil War soldier on the way. To repeat, we may have noticed that we have a Union Civil War soldier on the way. He may be identified as Alex Olson. We also may have noticed that he might be the hero. He wears a midnight blue blouse, sky blue trousers, black Soviet-era boots, a black cowboy hat, and is armed with a 24-inch katana and a Russian Makarov pistol. If you see this friendly and heroic individual, stay indoors, but wave hello to him. Do not also approach him as he's on the loose to do his job in this dangerous situation.
You about to get an ass whooping. Let's not start that way, all right? All right? Do your damn job. Do your damn job.
Administrative message for the people of Omak. This is an all-clear alert for the people of Omak. Please have a listen to this special alert. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Okanagan County Sheriff's Office and the Omak Police Department. Residents of the city of Omak, you may exit your shelters at this time. The Okanagan County Sheriff's Office and the Omak Police Department thanks you for your cooperation during the emergency alert. They also wish to thank Alex Olson for his selflessness and heroic acts. Mr. Alexander Scott Olson, if you're out there. They wish to thank you for your bravery in defeating that Asian American female psychopathic killer. Because of that, they will play you the national anthem of the United States. May God bless you, Alex.
Good evening from KHQ. I'm Beth, and I'm here with the Blood Moon hero himself. Mr. Olson, thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
You truly saved everyone in Omak, and paid respects to all of the 34 lives that was lost at the time of the murder.
And I felt pretty good about that.
Do you like when you support the Union during the Civil War?
Yes, I do.
That must have explained about the uniform you're wearing then.
Yeah.
What makes you think that you want to be on the Union soldiers' side instead of the Confederate soldiers?
Well, Union soldiers fought for the North in the American Civil War from 1861 to 1865 to preserve the United States, compromising a diverse group of native-born men, immigrants, and African Americans, often young, with motivations shifting from Union preservation to ending slavery as the war progressed. While the Confederate soldiers, on the other hand, were the men who fought for the Confederate States of America during the American Civil War, primarily white males, many of whom were farmers, motivated by defending their home states' rights and the institution of slavery. Though some were foreigners, and later in the war, African American men or black men served in support roles and briefly as armed troops, though this program was limited. So yeah, that's why I chose the Union side instead of the Confederates.
Oh, so you're saying that Union supports freedom while the Confederate supports slavery? Did I hear that right?
Yes, Beth, I think you did.
Well, thank you for coming to KHQ, Mr. Olson. And we hope to see you what you might plan next.
Thank you for having me. And, yeah. I hope to see myself what I plan next.
This is Beth from KHQ, signing off.